Hey everybody, this is Mike Stroud with Stroud's Building Supply and Steel Trusses. Kind of want to show you how the posts attach to the concrete. We've got our corner brackets right here, as you can see, if I can get my shadow out of the way. If you're looking to do a pre-slab, we've got the corner brackets here, and then we've got your normal line PERMA-POST columns right here. All the hardware comes with them. You can figure about $65 each with all your hardware, your through bolts and everything. They don't have the through bolts on here yet. They've just got the screws holding it in place, and then they'll drill the through bolts right through. You can see the anchor bolt right here. Here's another picture of one out of the ground. This is part of the hardware that comes with it. This is the drill set. Now we've got the wet sets also, and then you can see the through bolts right there. So give me a call at 828-413-4201. 828-413-4201, or visit us at stroudsbuildingsupply.com.